हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एमआर लर्निंग सर्कल। आज का हमारा वीडियो है वैदिक एज पे। तो वैदिक एज के जो भी जितने भी पॉइंटर्स हैं हम लोग आज उसे देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द टर्म आर्यन डिनोट्स अ सुपीरियर रेस। द मीनिंग ऑफ टर्म आर्या in classical Sanskrit is nobleman. The oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Tri is the name for three Vedas. Next, the Vedic text in which the term Varn is found referred for the first time, that is ऋग्वेद। ऋग्वेद में सबसे पहले कौन सा वर्ण नाम का टर्म मिला था? Next, the पुरुष सूक्त related to वर्ण system was originally found in ऋग्वेद। पुरुष सूक्त किस में मिला था? ऋग्वेद में। Now, correctly matched are अथर्ववेद। अथर्ववेद का काम, अथर्ववेद में क्या था? मेडिसिन। ऋग्वेद में गॉड्स ग्रेस, यजुर्वेद में सैक्रिफाइस प्रोसेस और सामवेद में म्यूजिक। ठीक है, अथर्ववेद मेडिसिन इज रिलेटेड टू मेडिसिन, ऋग्वेद इज रिलेटेड टू गॉड्स ग्रेस, यजुर्वेद इज रिलेटेड टू सैक्रिफाइस प्रोसेस and Samved is related to music. Now next is Rigved. Rigved consists hymns and prayers. Yajurved consists hymns and rituals. Samved consists musical hymns. Atharvaved consists charms and spells. In Rigved, the number of hymns are 1028 and the verses are 10,552. Rigved is called the collection of hymns. In Rigved, mandals are 10. कितने मंडल है ऋग्वेद में? 10 मंडल्स. Now the correctly matched are, अब आपको correctly matched बताना है. ऋग्वेद ऐत्रेय उपनिषद and सामवेद पंचविश, यजुर्वेद शतपथ, अथर्ववेद गोपथ. Next, in Rigved, verses are 10,552. Next, out of the given options, namely Vajrasanei, Maitrayani, Tetrayani, Kathak, which is the Samhita of Shukla Yajurved? So your answer would be Vajrasnei. Vajrasnei. Next, the mandal of Rigved, which is completely dedicated to Som, is ninth mandal. The ninth mandal of the Rigved is devoted wholly to Som, the god who is named after the drink. Next, the rites and rituals related to yajnas are mentioned in यजुर्वेद. अब यजनास को लेके जो भी rites and rituals है वो यजुर्वेद में है. The shortest among all the four Ved is सामवेद. सबसे छोटा वेद कौन सा है? सामवेद है. Next, the earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered by Atranji Kheda. Discovered from. यूज ऑफ आयरन सबसे पहले कहाँ से डिस्कवर किया गया इंडिया में? अतरंजी खेड़ा में. नेक्स्ट, द करेक्टली मैच्ड लिस्ट इज रिही मीन्स राइस, मुदगा मीन्स मूंग दाल, यव मीन्स मिलेट्स, इक्षु मीन्स शुगर केन. Clear? The main theme of Upanishad is philosophy. Next, out of the given Vedic literature, namely Rig Veda, later Samhitas, Brahmins and Upanishads, which talk about salvation. कौन सा है इन सब में जो salvation, मोक्ष प्राप्ति के बारे में बात करता है? It is the Upanishads. Next, the famous dialogue between Nachiket and Yam is mentioned in Katopnishad. कौन से में नचिकेत और यम के बीच में जो भी संवाद हुआ था? It is mentioned in Katopnishad. Now next, King Ashwapati of Upanishadic period was the ruler of Kekia. The river mentioned mostly in early Vedic literature is Sindhu. Next, The Vedic river Aksani is identified with the river Chenab. अब river Aksani का नाम क्या है? Chenab. ठीक. Out of the given rivers mentioned in Rig Veda, name Aksani and Parushini, Kumbha and Kramu, Vipasa and Shatudri. Which river indicate the relations of Aryan with Afghanistan? तो कुंभ रिवर काबुल, परुशनी रिवर रावी, सदनीरा गंधक, शतुद्री सतलज. तो कौन सा होगा? कुंभ एंड क्रमु. कौन सा अफगानिस्तान और आर्यन के रिलेशंस को दिखाता है? कुंभ एंड क्रमु. Now, next is in the period of Mahabharata, the name of Mahanadi was चित्रोत्पला. चित्रोत्पला. ठीक है, महानदी का क्या नाम था महाभारत के टाइम पे? चित्रोत्पला. फिर नेक्स्ट, द धर्म एंड रीत depict the central idea of ancient Vedic civilization of India in the context of the correct statement are. This context, the correct statement. Dharma was conception of obligations and discharge of one's duty to oneself and to others. Reet was the fundamental moral law governing the functioning of the universe and all it contained. ठीक है. Next is out of the given Vedic deities name Agni, Brihaspati, Dayasu, Dayas, Indra, which was believed to be their priest. तो इन सबके गुरु कौन थे? बृहस्पति was their priest. Now next, during the post-Vedic period, the prevalent system of चतुष्टया, फोर पुरुषार्थ क्या है? धर्म, अर्थ, काम एंड मोक्ष. फोर आश्रम्स, ब्रह्मचर्य, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ एंड संन्यास. ये हैं आपके चार आश्रम्स. नाउ ड्यूरिंग द ऋग्वेदिक पीरियड, निष्क वॉज द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ नेक. ठीक है, ऋग्वेद में निष्क क्या था? ऑर्नामेंट. कहाँ का ऑर्नामेंट था? नेक का. नाउ निष्क इन एंशिएंट टाइम वॉज अ गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट. Next, during Rigvedic period, the word nishk was used for jewelry, but in later period it was used for the meaning of coin. Next, bogus koi inscription of 14th century is important because the names of gods and goddess, Vedic gods and goddess are mentioned. Next, the inscription which tells about the movement of Aryan from Iran to India, bogus kai. Out of the given names, Shankaracharya, Annie Besant, Vivekanand, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who wrote on the original homeland of the Aryans? Who wrote the original homeland of Aryans? किसने लिखा था? बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने. Next, the priest associated with Videga Madhav referred in Shatpat Brahman was Rishi Gautam Raghugan. Next, in post-Vedic period, Mahajanpad was considered the axis of Aryan culture was Kuru Panchal. Next, the word Gotra occurs for the first time in Rigved. ठीक है, सबसे पहले गोत्र कहाँ हुआ था? ऋग्वेद में. Next, in the Rigvedic period, people believed mainly in sacrifice, that is yajna, and rituals. ऋग्वेद के लोग, ऋग्वेदिक people किसमें believe करते थे? Sacrifice and rituals में. Next, the famous battle of the 10 kings was fought on the bank of river Parushini. कौन सी नदी के किनारे हुआ था? The battle of 10 kings, Parushini और Ravi river. Next, the religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily worship of nature and yajnas. Next, out of the given tribes, namely Yadu, Puru, Turvasa, Kikat, which is not related to the Panchjan of Rigved Aryans. So your answer is Kikat. Next, out of the given rivers, Sindhu, Saraswati, Vitasta, Yamuna, which is referred as Matetma, Devetma and Naditma in Rigved. So your answer is सरस्वती. सरस्वती नदी को किस नाम से और रेफर किया गया है? मातेत्मा, देवीत्मा एंड नदीत्मा. Next, the Panchjan of Rigvedic Aryans were Yadu, Puru, Durvasa, Anu, Druha. Clear? Now next, in the ancient period, main livelihood of the Aryans were agriculture. The word Yav mentioned in Rigved is used for the agriculture product barley. Yav का मतलब क्या है ऋग्वेद में? barley. Next, the Rigvedic Pani that belongs to the class of citizens is treasure. पानी का कौन से सिटीजन से बिलोंग करता है ऋग्वेदिक में? ट्रेडर्स. नेक्स्ट, द सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नेंस prevalent in the Vedic era was descendant monarchy. Next, the Sabha of Vedic era was Council of Ministers. Next, the Sabha and Samiti are called two daughters of Prajapati in Vedas. That is अथर्ववेद. अथर्ववेद में प्रजापति की दो बेटियां थी, उनका नाम था सभा एंड समिति. नेक्स्ट, the Rigvedic tribal assembly associated with judicial function was sabha. Judicial function से कौन associate करते थे? sabha. Next, Ayurveda, that is science of life, appeared first in Atharvaveda. Next, Rigvedic religion was polytheistic. Monotheist होता है, polytheistic होता है. तो ऋग्वेदिक क्या था? polytheistic. Next, the large number of Rigvedic hymns are devoted to Indra. Next, the second largest number of hymns in Rigved belongs to Agni. ठीक, सब सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट किसके लिए? इंद्र के लिए. सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट किसके लिए? अग्नि के लिए. Next, the most popular god of early Vedic Aryans was Indra. इंद्र सबसे पॉपुलर गॉड थे. Next, the Var god in the Rigved is regarded as Indra. ठीक है. Next, the correct statement about the Vedic god Indra are he was the god of thunder and he was the god of rain. ठीक. Next, 800 BC to 600 BC is related to the era Brahmin era. Brahmin era का क्या टाइम पीरियड है? टाइमलाइन क्या है? 800 BC to 600 BC. Next, गायत्री मंत्र is found in the book ऋग्वेद. गायत्री मंत्र कौन सी बुक में मिलता है? ऋग्वेद में. गायत्री मंत्र was composed by विश्वामित्र. Next, सर्ग, प्रतिसर्ग, वांस, मनवंतरा and Vanshcharita are the indicators of Purans. Number of Purans are 18. Srimad Bhagavad Gita was originally written in Sanskrit. Then originally the Mahabharata was known as Jaya Samhita. सबसे पहले महाभारत ओरिजिनली किसके नाम से जानी जाती थी? जया संहिता के नाम से. नेक्स्ट, द शत सहस्राय संहिता that is also known as the nickname of महाभारत. अब ठीक है, एक और नाम महाभारत का क्या होगा? शत सहस्राय संहिता. शत सहस्राय संहिता. दूसरा क्या है? जया संहिता. Next, according to Hindu mythology, the serpent which offered himself as a rope for churning the ocean is Vasuki. Next, the concept of untouchability was put clearly in Dharma Shastra phase. Next, the word Satyamev Jayate has been taken from Manduka Upanishad. Next, Satyamev Jayate that is taken from Manduka Upanishad is engraved on Indian emblem. Next, the statement Tamso Ma Jyotirgamya was originally mentioned in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Next, the Upanishad that has literal meaning of white horse. It is Shwet Swastra Upanishad. Next, the fundamental or basic script of Rig Veda was Brahmi. Next, the Vedic rituals Hota is associated with Rig Veda. Next, there is a symmetry between Avesta and Rig Veda. Avesta is related to the region in Iran. Now next, during the Vedic period, the word Aghanya is mentioned for cow. Next, the correctly matched are Indus Valley Civilization, Urban Civilization, Later Vedic Society, Agrarian Society, Rig Vedic Society was Pastoral Society, Medieval era was Landlordship or Zamindari. Next, in the early Rig Vedic period, what was considered to be most valuable property? Answer is cow. Now the total number of sanskars are 16. Out of the given terms, namely Kula, Vansh, Kos, Gotra, which does not belong to the category of three? Answer is Kos. In the context of Indian literature, Reet means natural law. The teacher who taught Vedang for the livelihood was Upadhyay. Now in the next video, we will learn about Buddhism. Thank you.